What if you could own an entire 1,115-acre world? Your own private lakes, your own timber, your own cattle operation, and your own personal resort. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most extraordinary legacy estates in Georgia, where luxury living and full-scale agricultural power come together like nothing else on the market. Set in the rolling Georgia hills, this estate is pure freedom. Spring-fed lakes, open pastures, and wooded trails surround a timeless country home crafted with materials sourced right from the property. Tennessee fieldstone, milled cedar, and hand-carved mahogany doors that set an unmistakable tone of quality. Inside, the home blends warmth and sophistication. The gourmet kitchen features a 6-burner Viking stove, copper hood, and a built-in bread warmer flowing into sunlit living spaces with rich cedar-lined closets and a cozy loft library. The primary suite is a private retreat with marble floors, a double-head shower, and a spa-style jacuzzi tub. This layout is built for real living, guest bedrooms upstairs, and a fully finished basement with its own bedroom, full bath, den, and a second unused kitchen perfect for multi-generational needs. Step outside and the property transforms into your own private resort, a heated saltwater pool, waterfall feature, a full pool house, and an additional guest suite above. A refinished cabin offers even more space for guests or caretakers. And beyond the home, this is a fully operational estate, supporting up to 250 Angus cattle with fenced pastures, 3 stocked ponds, a horse barn, massive workshops including an RV bay and vehicle lift, hay storage, pole barns, and nearly every piece of equipment you need already here. 2 wells, a whole house generator, and robust mechanical systems allow the estate to operate independently for months. Secluded, self-sustaining, luxurious, and endlessly functional, this is one of Georgia's premier legacy properties, offering unmatched privacy, versatility,